English Hindi speaking practice sentences for kids. 1. Wake up early. Wake up early. Jaldi utho. Get ready for school. Get ready for school. School ke liye tayar ho jao. 3. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Apne baal kangi karo. 4. Pack your bag. Pack your bag. Apna bag pack karo. 5. Finish your homework. Finish your homework. Apna homework pura karo. 6. Wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. Apni bari ka intezar karo. Follow the rules. Follow the rules. Niyamo ka palan karo. Be polite to everyone. Be polite to everyone. Sabke saath vinamr raho. Be kind to animals. Be kind to animals. Janawaron ke saath dayalu raho. 10th. Be honest always. Be honest always. Hamesha imandar raho. 11. Help your parents. Help your parents. Apne mata pita ki madad karo. 12. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. Apne baro ka samman karo. Clean. Keep your room clean. Keep your room clean. Apna kamra saaf rakho. Switch off the light. Switch off the light. Batti band karo. Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. Pankha chalu karo. 6. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Apne he band karo. Wash your face. Wash your face. Apna chehra dholo. Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. Apne joote ke feete bandho. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Muskurate raho. Try to do better. Try to do better. Aur acha karne ki koshish karo. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Apna haath uthao. Pay attention in class. Pay attention in class. Kaksha mein dhyan do. Read aloud. Jor se paro. Speak in English. Angrezi mein bolo. Work hard every day. Work hard every day. Har din mehnat karo. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Udas mat ho. Don't be lazy. Alasi mat bano. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Use mat chuo. Don't shout. Don't shout. Chillao mat. Don't fight with your brother. Don't fight with your brother. Apne bhai se mat chagaro. Don't throw your toys. Don't throw your toys. Apne khilane mat fenko. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Shor mat karo. Don't run inside the room. Don't run inside the room. Kamre ke andar mat daudo. Don't forget your homework. Don't forget your homework. Apna homework mat bhulo. Don't waste food. Don't waste food. Khana barbad mat karo. Come inside. Come inside. Andar aao. Go outside. Go outside. Bahar jao. Sit properly. Sit properly. Theek se baitho. Stand in a line. Stand in a line. Line mein khade ho jao. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Apne haath dholo. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Apne daant brush karo. Close.
42. Close the door. Close the door. Darwaza band karo. 43. Open the window. Open the window. Khidki kholo. 44. Keep your books here. Keep your books here. Apni kitabein yahan rakho. 45. Put your shoes there. Put your shoes there. Apne joote wahan rakho. 46. Share with authors. Share with others. दूसरों के साथ बांटो. 47. Have some water. Have some water. थोड़ा पानी पियो. 48. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. धीरे धीरे बोलो. 49. Try again. Try again. फिर से कोशिश करो. 50. ध्यान से सुनो. Listen carefully. ध्यान से सुनो.
Like kare. Share kare. Subscribe kare. Support kare.